Tired of dull, lifeless hair that just won't shine? Avalon Organics Clarifying Lemon Shampoo promises to restore your natural highlights and bring back that fresh, vibrant look. This 11 ounces bottle packs a powerful punch with a certified organic formula designed to gently cleanse and revitalize your hair without stripping it of essential moisture. What sets this shampoo apart is its plant-based blend of lemon essential oil, quinoa protein, aloe, and vitamin E. These ingredients work together to remove excess oils and buildup that weigh your hair down, while conditioning and sealing each strand. The result? Hair that feels smooth, looks brighter, and moves with a natural bounce. Plus, it's EWG verified and free from GMOs, parabens, synthetic colors, fragrances, and harsh preservatives. So you know you're treating your hair with care. I've personally seen the difference Avalon Organics makes. After switching to this shampoo, my hair felt cleaner and lighter, with a noticeable shine that lasted all day. It's gentle enough for regular use, yet effective at cutting through the grime and dullness that accumulate from daily styling and environmental exposure. And if you care about ethical choices, you'll appreciate that this shampoo is vegan and cruelty-free, proudly recognized by the Leaping Bunny program. If that's you, someone looking for a natural, effective way to refresh your hair, Avalon Organics Clarifying Lemon Shampoo is worth a look. It's more than just a cleanser. It's a thoughtful blend of nature and science designed to nourish both your hair and your peace of mind. Try it when you're ready to experience clean, bright hair that feels as good as it looks. Ready to bring your hair back to life? Choose Avalon Organics for a shampoo that respects your hair and the planet. With every wash, you get a gentle yet powerful cleanse, a boost of natural shine, and the confidence that comes with using a truly clean beauty product.